Welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. As you can see, you get an instructional manual, the base itself, and the light bar. I'm not sure how I feel about this base. I feel like this spring-loaded clamp will break over time. But let's take a look at the light bar itself. The wires are not detachable, which could be a problem in the long run if there's a short circuit, and the remote feels cheap. I noticed there's a film covering adhesive on the base. Not sure on why they needed this. So I invited my scientists over to test how strong this adhesive is. And it's pretty strong. Let's take a further look at the base and its functionality and install the light bar itself. I feel like over time, for me adjusting this light bar on this cheaply filled base, I'm gonna break it. And for $40, it's not worth it. Let's go ahead and install this light bar to my monitor. As you can see, the adhesive is sitting on the back of my monitor. Now, over time, will that be a problem when I try to remove this light bar? Will there be a lot of sticky icky on the back of my monitor? Let's test out the different color temperatures, brightness, and dimness of this monitor light. There's warm light, cool light, and natural light. I'm not sure how I feel about the remote and the adhesive on this light, but don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos.